Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, we are looking at common mistakes people make using Nirvana. These ain't flaws within the tools. There are ways people use it that don't match how it's designed. This is Nirvana's homepage. If you don't have the link, it's down in the description below. For those who have, let's log in. And also, Nirvana has a app that you can also download on Play Store that allows you to also keep track of your tasks. Nirvana follows a strict GTD strategy. Everything is built around clear stages: caption, process, organization, focus. This structure is is intentional. It's meant to reduce mental clutter. A common mistake is expecting flexibility outside the structure. Consume flows are limited, views are fixed. The system wants you to work its way. This can feel repulsive if you like customization. For casual users, this causes frustration. You can't just add tasks and forget about them. Inbox processing is required. Regular reviews are expected. Without the habit, tasks piles up. This setup is hard for people who want speed, people who want regular reviews, people who prefer flexible task lists. Navara works best for users commanded to GDT. Outside that mindset, it can feel heavy. The best way is you have to go to your inbox. You have to create a few lists. Don't complicate things on adding so many things. Just keep your list simple in Navara because its system it has inbox, focus, next, schedule, someday. So wherever your task is going to follow, it has to follow under these five categories. So right now we're in the inbox where your tasks are captured. So I want you to make 3 to 4, 5 examples for me right here. So I'm just gonna make 3 quick examples on how this strategy piles up. So make few list, make actionable, doable tasks that you're gonna do today. So you're gonna write the title of your task. Then just gonna put tag, so you can just see where it's related to. Then you're gonna put how long this is gonna take you. Then you're gonna put the energy is low, medium, high. Then you're gonna put the due date, which is today. Then you're gonna make sure you choose the inbox section and you just added your task. As you can see right here, work on videos. I'm gonna do this for 2 hours. It's at a high priority for me. It's related to work and it's due today. So we're just gonna create another two more. I'm gonna add our last one. Then you're gonna add the time duration. If you also like to add notes based on what precisely are you going to be working on, you can also add it here. Then you just save it right there. So automatically right now, if you're looking at it, you have 3 tasks. Let me just check this one in the middle. If I did put a due date, just in case, let me just put a due date right there. You just automatically adjust it if you do not put any requirements like that. So you have everything in your inbox. Now it's the time to shift them to better places whereby they are at a better uh, focusing process. So once you go to focus, as you can see, this is your focus for today. These are the things that you have today. And as you can see, you have due, you have time, you have energy, you have everything. So this simple setup helps you to remove things that frustrate you, so many lists, so many things. Instead of your today list looking like this is how it should look like. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna change the action situation. You're just gonna put this in the next situation right here. The action status, you're gonna put it next so that this you're gonna do next. These are the things that you're gonna do. So you need to put them where they are wanted. So once you have done that, you go to a next situation. And since you have this, as you can see, this has no frustration. It's according for you to do today. So once that is already ready for you to take aboard, what you're going to do is you're going to start doing your task when the time hits, and you're just going to tick once you're done like that. This setup is very easy, nothing much is added. It's enough for you to continue working at your best. For context, this is how we approach our situation at LemTask. If you don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you get it, it will take you to their homepage. This is how LemTask looks like. Once you get the link, you just press the link and it takes you here. You just press get for free. You just put in your full name, email, password, and you create your account. This is LemTask's dashboard. They have a lot of features that help you to strictly revolve around productivity. They make sure that execution is very our standard of making sure you execute your task very quickly. So I'm just gonna go to Braindome and show you a feature, which is how I schedule my tasks using the voice feature that I love the most. I'm just gonna make an example for you to show you how do I actually schedule my task here at LemTask. So I just start the voice, have a meeting today with my CEO. So by just giving it strictly instructions, it has already scheduled for me. And the date also, I just have to put in the time. I just have to put in the priority, and I just have to add my task like that. Automatically, I've just scheduled my task. I go into my today section and I just scroll down. As I scroll down, as you can see, this is how This is how I schedule my meetings already been scheduled. My task is at hand. So what's left for me right now, when the time hits 2 p.m., it's time for me to do my task. Once I'm done, I just give it a tick, symbolizing it's complete, like that. Navara is powerful when used intended, but it requires command to the system. When execution meets the design, execution feels calm. When they don't, frustration shows up.